Welcome to my little country kitchen. We are going to be doing some apples. Let me show you. I have a ton of apples from my neighbors and some more 12 pounds down there. This is about a bucket and a half in the sink. So we're going to get, I want to do at least 5 jars this morning of apple pie filling. So we're going to get that going. My apologies, I lost my footage on how to put together the sauce, so I did 5 cups of water, 2 cups of sugar, half a cup of arrowroot powder, and 1 teaspoon of salt and cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg and allspice. And I cooked that on the stove until it thickened. Then I added it to the canning jars. Jars are filled, set for 40 minutes, we're good to go. I want to do an experiment. I did these ones. Maybe these are Jonathan's. Does anybody know? These are Fuji that my neighbor gave me, and these are Golden Delicious, I believe. Who knows what this one is? It's mostly red. Really crisp, kind of tart. Really yummy. I love it. Is that normal? They all floated to the top? I guess so. Oh, yummy, yummy! Thank you for joining me for this holiday treat, and I will show you how to make the apple pie or an apple crisp later.